What is up, guys? It's your boy bro. I'm Josh with Fashion Tips and Vlogs, and today, guys, I'm back with another banger, guys. So today I'll be showcasing the Salomon XT Wings 2 Advanced. That is definitely a mouthful. I definitely wanted to show you guys these sneakers. I took a month to review them, so I've been having this for quite some time now, but we'll talk about that in the conclusion or my final thoughts. Basically, I'll do a quick unboxing and then I'll give you guys some on-foot footage. I'll be doing some Levi's, some shorts, and also just like the workwear inspired pants unboxing. I just wanted to hop in here just to let you know, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, comment and like below. I also reply to every comment on every single video, so if you guys hit that comment, I'll definitely reply to you guys. Thank you, and let's go on. All right, guys, so the Salomon, guys, if you guys don't know about this brand, basically it's been getting a lot of hype lately, but everyone on the Explore page has one of these, so I definitely wanted to try it out. I went for the XT Wings 2 Advanced. I know the XT-6 are the ones that are like super hype, but I got this on Essence on a sale, so I wanted to try them out before actually committing to the $180 price tag of these. These were on sale, so I got these for around 115 bucks. Of course, a size 10, 44 in euros. So basically, it comes in a basic brown box. It has a little mountains, because this is definitely like an outdoor sneaker. Definitely have that also. So the first thing that comes in is normal paper, nothing too crazy, which I would expect from a pair of sneakers like this. So like I said, guys, look at this colorway. So I got this in a green. It's like an olive green and then a darker olive green, and basically hits all throughout. So I'll break it down for you guys. So kind of the top half is this spider web effect. It looks like little mountains here. Not sure if that's intentional, but it definitely looks like you can see the peaks of the mountain. So it goes up and down. It's green, olive green, like a light olive green, and then there's a darker olive green, and then there's little hints of gray. Like it really doesn't look that olive in person. So there's hints of like grayish and black in it all throughout. And of course you have the Salomon's logo on here, XT Wings 2. And then the sole is like this brownish color with a green olive around here. And then my favorite part of the shoe is this little red thing. I know you can barely see it, but I love the little hint of red when it comes to this sneaker, which is all predominantly like earth tones. So just that hint of red just makes the shoe super dope to me. And basically, like I said, I wore this for a full month before actually reviewing it, or before unboxing and showing you guys. So I'll definitely talk about that in my final thoughts. So that'll be it right there, guys. And the second shoe is the basic same, right there, guys. It's a little bit of creasing, not because of anything with the sneaker itself, it's because I actually wore these. And look at the bottom, crazy traction, guys. And let's just go on to the on-feet footage, guys. So as we do the on-feet footage, you'll see the sizing, guys. So I did get a size 10, but there was a notice or like a warning in the Essence page that these run small. I would say that these break in. Initially, they were kind of tight on my feet, but as you wear them, maybe 1 or 2 times, they slowly break in and really snug up on your toes. So definitely something that you guys have to consider, but I would say just stay true to size if you are trying to wear the Salomons. Alright, guys, so there you guys have it, the on feet. So my final thoughts: are these worth the hype, or what's the allure behind this? So I think for $180, I think the price is pretty steep if you're only wearing this just because of the hype, or because you know, it being trendy right now. So that's why I picked up a cheaper version, or I picked it up the more affordable version on sale through Essence, because I wanted to try it out first before committing to the higher price tag. So my thoughts are this: if you're gonna buy this just for the hype, I would say don't get this, because I have a feeling that these will definitely go out of trend as soon as, probably, I'll give it a couple more months before these go out of trend. But if you're buying this for two purposes, meaning you're gonna buy it right now because of the hype, and also if you think about going hiking, any type of other type of climate that is not just you know, not just normal sun, I would definitely recommend these. These are extremely comfortable. They mold perfectly to your feet, and I think the reason why they look so good is two things. One is the silhouette. So I think it's basically like a different style of New Balance 990s V5s. It gives me the same type of silhouette, which it has the, you know, the real slim upper right here, and then kind of goes out on the toe box, and then of course the chunkier sole, like I mentioned before. So all in all, I would say buy this, but just know in the back of your mind is that these are gonna probably go out of style in the next 6 months. So if you have other uses for this, definitely do it. Like me, I just moved to Texas, so actually right now it's snowing, so definitely gonna take these out. The traction is crazy on these, and also I do have a hiking trail near my house, or apartment I should say, so definitely gonna be hiking these and also wearing them casually throughout the day. So let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you guys are into? I wanted to give you guys a review just because I know that this are not everyone's cup of tea, but let me know in the comment section what you think about these. So that will wrap it up for today's video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new here, and see you on the next one.